Hello dear kids, now we are going to start chapter 10 from your NSO Science Olympiad workbook, and the chapter name is Our Environment. In this chapter we are going to discuss air composition and uses, form of water and water cycle, rocks and minerals, weather and season, different type of soil and their uses, and pollution. So let's start. It is breathing, so it is inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. It means when human being breathe or respirate, they inhale oxygen and they exhale carbon dioxide. In same way, during photosynthesis is the process of making food by the plants. In this process, they use carbon dioxide, which is exhaled by the human bodies. They exhale carbon dioxide, but they intake carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. These plants use this carbon dioxide. And breathing in animal during daytime, they use the oxygen used by the animals and carbon dioxide used by the plants for the photosynthesis. In this diagram, we see that during night, what happens? During night, there is no sun because photosynthesis will happen only in the presence of sun. Without sun, it does not happen. In the night, there is no sun, there is moon. And in the presence of moon, photosynthesis will not happen. It means plant do not make their food. At that time, they only breathe. For breathing, plant and animal both use oxygen and they both exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, plant and as well as animals. So during night only breathing happens, but during daytime photosynthesis and breathing both will happen. Okay, plant do also breathing, and for breathing they also use oxygen, but that oxygen is also produced by the plant in the process of photosynthesis. That's why they use the oxygen which are produced by them, and also they exit or excrete the oxygen in the daytime for the human bodies or animals, okay, for breathing. But in the night they do not make oxygen, but they breathe, so that in the night they use oxygen, both animal and plants. So we can say that in the breathing, both animal and plant use the oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, but in the photosynthesis, plant use this carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Okay. Now, what is air? Air is all around us. Moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called breeze. A gentle wind is called breeze. In the morning, we feel breeze. And a strong wind is called storm. Okay. Air contains gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Okay. And water vapor, dust, smoke and germs also. That also contained by the air. We need air to breathe because in air oxygen is present and we need oxygen for breathing, so we need air for breathing. All plants and animals breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Okay, plants and animals both in breathing use oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Remember this thing. But plant needs CO2 or carbon dioxide for make food during daytime. That food making process is known as photosynthesis. So this is the air which is used by plant and animal both. Water continuously moves between water bodies, atmosphere and land by a process that is called water cycle. This is water cycle. Do you know what is water cycle? Water cycle is the process, like you can see here, this is the process of water cycle. This is the seawater. By evaporation in the daytime when sun is bright, this water get heat up and change into vapors. This is called evaporation process. In this process, water vapors go up, and when they go up, the temperature will decrease and they collide together and form cloud, and this cloud give rain, and this rainwater again come into sea or rivers. This is whole process called water cycle. Okay. So water is very important for life on earth. All living things need water. We know that. We use water for drinking, cooking and washing. Water can exist in three forms. First one is liquid, second is gas, and third is solid. So liquid is as in rivers and lakes. You can see that water, we drink water. Gas is the water vapor that is present in the air. And solid as snow or mountains. You can see this is the solid water. Water change its state into on heating or cooling. Let's see, this is water. Okay. When we heat water, then it change into water vapor. And when we cool down water vapor, it change into again water. In same manner, when we cool water, then it change into ice, and when we heat ice, that it change into water. Okay, so this is the convertible process. This is water cycle. We already studied about that. What is water cycle? When water get heated by sun, that it is rise up into water vapor. Water vapor on cooling form cloud. When they cool down, when they go up, temperature get decrease and they cool down. On cool down, they make clouds. Cloud making water vapor process is known as evaporation here. And when temperature get decrease and they form cloud, that is called condensation. Okay, and after condensation, when water get heavier, when cloud get heavy, then water droplet form from cloud fall as rain. This process is called precipitation. Okay, and after precipitation, rainwater fill with the river, ponds, lake and oceans. So this is called water cycle. In whole 4 steps, water will be come back to the sea, and it also started from the sea in the cycle. Okay. The earth is made up of rocks. What is rock? Rock are made up of one or more minerals. Some rocks are very hard like granite, and some rocks are very soft like talc. Talc, chalk, hard rocks are granite, marble, sandstones. These are the hard rocks. Rocks break into small particles under the effect of sun, water and wind. Under the effect of sun, water and wind, rock break down, okay, and they form soil. The soil contain humus. What is humus? Do you know? Humus is a dark organic layer of the soil which contain so much fertile material, because it is made up by the decomposition of organic matter like leaf litters or animal litter. Gravel are the large stones, and sand is the small particle, and clay are very fine particles. Okay, so humus makes soil more productive. Humus is the very productive or fertile layer, and it makes soil more productive. So soil have many types like clay soil. Clay soil is used to make pots only because it has very fine particles. So these fine particles are used to make pots. Okay, and it has large amount of clay. Second one is the sandy soil. Sandy soil has lots of sand. Okay, that is called sandy soil. You can see this soil near the beaches. So when we make together clay and sand, when we add clay plus sand, then it will make which soil? That is called loamy soil, and loamy soil is very fertile soil and plant can grow very well in this soil. So we use loamy soil for the growing of plant. We mix clay soil and sand soil together because it make fertility increase. Next, weather is the condition of air surrounding us at a particular place and time. It can be sunny, windy or cloudy or rainy. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of air surrounding with the place and time. Okay, and it depends on sunny, windy, cloud and rainy. It means it depends on the water, wind and rain. Okay, so there are 5 seasons in a year. How many seasons are there? 5 seasons. Summer, winter, spring, autumn and monsoon. Monsoon is also called rainy season. You can see here summer, sun is bright. In monsoon season, there are so many clouds in the sky, and in winters, we wear warm clothes. Okay. Last topic is pollution. What is pollution? Dust and smoke from car, houses, factory, etc. make air dirty. Okay. Waste from home, factories, and when we throw this waste into water, then water get dirty. Okay, so this is called pollution. When by the human activities water and air can dirty, then it is called, if air dirty, then it is called air pollution. If water get dirty, then it is called water pollution. In same way, if we making lots of noise, then this is called noise pollution. Polluted air and water can be harmful for the plant and animals. As you know that water and air, they both are the basic needs of the animal and plants. If they are get dirty or they are get polluted, so they are harmful for the humans and plants. Okay, let's start our questions. First question is, plant take in X and animal take in Y during breathing. During breathing, both plant and animals intake oxygen, and what is intake oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, both plants and animals. So what they intake? They both intake. X also intake oxygen and Y also intake oxygen. Option A is right answer only. Next question is, during the process of evaporation. Evaporation means heat. When water get heat up, then the water change into water vapors. That is called evaporation. Water is the liquid state. Okay, and vapors are the gaseous state. Okay, it is gas. So during the process of evaporation, water in liquid state, okay, and change into the gaseous state because it change into the vapors, and vapor is the gaseous state. So liquid and gaseous. Option is right answer here. Question 3 is, on cold winter mornings, we see droplet of water on grass and leaves. This is called dew. Water vapor on the grass and leaves. This is called dew. Do you know what is fog? Fog is a white cloud that form close the land or sea. Okay, it make us very difficult to see. That is called fog. And what is hailstone? Hailstone in journal language we say it ole, as this is a small hard ball of ice fall from the sky during the rain. That is called hailstones. Or frost. Do you know what is frost? Frost is the at night layer of ice form on the surface. That is called frost. Okay, so here our answer is dew. Option is right answer here. Next question is, mineral X is used to make talcum powder while mineral Y is used to pencil leads. Select the option that correctly identify X and Y. X is used to make talc, and talc is made by talc rock. Okay, and pencil is made up of graphite. Pencil lead is made up of graphite. That black nib of the pencil is made up of graphite. So first one is talc and Y is graphite. Option is right answer here. Pumic is a stone like a sponge. It absorbs maximum water. Okay, so this is also a soft rock, but it does not make talc. Granite is the right here. That is used in the pencil leads, but B is wrong here. In C option, graphite is hard rock, but X here is the soft rock. So this is also wrong. In D, sandstone, marble, both are the hard rock, but here X is a soft rock. So A is right answer here. Next question is, which of the following is not an agent of weathering? For weathering, what is weather? Weather is the atmosphere around us due to wind, water and heat, or temperature you can say. So all of these are the agent of weathering. Option D is right answer here. Question 6 is, rock break into smaller particle under the effect of dash and form soil. It is the effect of temperature change, water and wind. All of are the factors of the breaking rock. So all of this is the correct answer here. Next question, select the symbol that indicate the weather in the which we need to wear both the item. This is the gumboot and this is raincoat. We both use this in the rainy season. Option B is right answer here. Next question is, the given graph shows the temperature of water as it is heated. The period from X to Y. This is the period from X to Y. You can see that here the temperature is constant. It means this graph shows this is X is the boiling point of the water. Here it reaches the boiling point so that it cannot increase its temperature, and constantly the boiling point is X to Y. It is showing that it is the boiling point of the water where it is reached. So this is boiling point, and after that it will change into vapors only. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, the given figure shows a cycle of change in state of water. What are X, Y and Z? X, Y and Z, cycle of water. You can see in this diagram, water on heating it change into steam or vapors. Okay. On cooling, steam change into again water, and water on cooling change into ice, and ice on heating change into again water. This is called water cycle. So X is steam here, Y is water and Z is ice. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, what is the importance of air in soil? Option A, it hold water that plant can absorb. No. It help the soil particle to stick together. No. It allow plant, root and soil animal to breathe. This is right. Air, what is the use of air? It used in the breathing. So plant, root and soil animal can breathe easily by the help of air present in the soil. So option C is right answer here. Next question is, in which of the following soils pulses grow well? In which type of soil? Clay soil is used for making pots. Sandy soil is not fertile soil. So loamy soil is the mixture of clay soil and sandy soil, and this is the most fertile soil. So we can grow pulses in this soil. Option B is right answer here. Question 12 is, select the option which on unscrambling give the name of the type of soil that has lot of space between them. Its particle, it is found on seahorse. First one is loamy, Laomy. Second is humus. Humus is the dark organic layer in the soil. Third one is the sandy, and fourth one is the clay, Clay. Soil that has lot of space between particle is found in seahorse. So which soil has lot of space between the particles? That soil is the sandy soil, which has lots of space in the particles. Okay. So option C is right answer here. Question 13 is, which of the following rock cannot be used for making floor? For making floor, we need hard rock. Okay. So granite is hard rock, marble is hard rock, but chalk is soft rock. So both A and B we can use in the making of floor, but cannot use chalk. Question 14 is, match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct options. Column 1, column 2. Column 1 has the types of pollution and column 2 has the causes from which the pollution can create. So let's start from the column 2. Bathing in river with soap, it causes water pollution. Okay. So C has 1. Factory chimneys, chimneys से निकलने वाला धुआं, it cause air pollution, that is 2 here. Burning wood, it also cause air pollution. Okay, so 3 is also here. Unnecessary blowing of horns, it cause voice pollution or noise pollution. So 5th one is throwing untreated waste in the water bodies, it cause water pollution. So A is 4 and C is also 5. So A 4, B 2 3, C 1 5. Option C is right answer here. Next question is the diagram below show the sample of sticky tapes that were left with their sticky surface exposed to air at different location X, Y and Z in a school. So on different position they have tapes which are stick with the dust. Okay, so this tape has least dust, as you can see here. Y have most dust and Z has also more dust than X but less dust than Y. Our question is, for the amount of dust stuck on the sticky surface, select the area which has minimum level of air pollution. देखो which area has minimum level of air pollution? Because the area which have least dust. Okay, so where is the least dust? On X we have least dust, it means it has minimum level of air pollution. Option A is right answer here. Next question is, Anamika took 3 troughs each containing equal amount of soil taken from different locations. Anamika poured 500 ml of water gently onto the soil on each trough E, F and G. Her observation after 30 minutes is shown in this diagram. You can see in E there is no water absorption. F, soil has absorbed all the water, and G, soil have less absorption. It is lesser than the F but the more than the E. Okay, so question is, according to the observation, which trough contains soil that is most likely to be found at the base of pond? At the base of pond, the sand will be like, soil will be like what? It will be the less absorbent of the water. That's why we can see water in the pond. It means it will be the soil E, which is the less absorbent of water. So D is right answer here. Soil in trough E because absorbed at the least water. Option D is right answer here. Next is, Dimpy has taken an empty bottle and fixed a deflated balloon on the mouth of the bottle. She placed the bottle in a container. This is filled with the hot water. After some time, the balloon get inflated as shown in figure. What could be the most appropriate reason for this? Look at the picture. In this empty bottle, air is very cool, but when we put this bottle into hot water, then air get heated. On heating, air get lighter and expand, okay, and rise up. That's why the balloon flat balloon inflate or blow up because of air rise up. So that when this proves that when air get heated, it expand and rise up. Option D is right answer here. Option D is right answer here. Next question is, 3 identical containers X, Y and Z were filled with the same amount of tap water, boiling water and ice. Tap water, boiling water and ice. It means X is the tap water, Y is the boiling water and Z is the ice. Respectively, they were left in a room. Which of the following graph shows the temperature change in each container after some time? Look kids. Here X is the tap water. That tap water is the temperature is the normal temperature of the room temperature. Y is boiling water. It means it has maximum temperature. Boiling water has maximum temperature around 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. And Z is the ice. Ice is having minimum temperature around 0 degrees Celsius. Okay. So this graph, option A, this graph shows that X has room temperature. Yes, it has no change. In Y, minimum to room change, and Z is the maximum to room change, this is wrong, because Z has the minimum temperature here 0 degree and Y has the maximum temperature. Okay, in option B there is X is at room temperature, no change. Y has maximum temperature, here is also Y has maximum temperature and cooling down to the room temperature, this is right. And G has minimum temperature at 0 degrees Celsius here, and it is also getting up its temperature near to the room temperature. Option B graph is the right graph, because it is showing X has normal temperature, room temperature, Y has maximum temperature, and Z has minimum temperature or 0 degrees Celsius temperature, and they all are coming to the normal room temperature. Option B is right answer here. Next is, the given graph provide information about level of noise in different situations. Which of the following scenario can create a level of noise as indicated on the graph by the letter X? X letter. This has maximum noise pollution. So let's see by which it can be created. A plane taking off, yes it can be, because plane is making so much noise when it take off. Dog barking, third one is honking of car, and fourth one is metro train moving on tracks. Look kids, in all these three options, these three makes or create noise pollution, but plane taking off, it fly away 1000 meters of the land, but still we can hear the voice of plane when it flies. It means it is the maximum louder plane or maximum noise creating device, you can say, or by this noise can be created at higher level. So A answer is the right answer. While plane taking off, X will be created. Last question is, which of the following is not hidden in the given grid? First one, it is the fertile component of soil. What is the fertile component of soil? That is humus. Second one, glass is made from the type of soil. Sandy soil is used for making glass. Okay, third one is, it is form of water that is often seen in the form of droplet on leaves or grass on winter morning, that is called dew. We already did this question. Option D, it is a condition caused by too much rainfall for a prolonged period of time. Prolonged period of time rainfall cause flood only. Okay, let's see what we have in the grid. We have humus here, we have sandy here, we have dew here, but we don't have flood here. So what we cannot find? We cannot find flood here. So option D is right answer. So kids, here we learn about the chapter Our Environment. Repeat this video, learn all the questions and their options also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KBS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video.